Hi, creator. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel, the channel that brings you the creativity of the world graphic.
If you are new here, kindly click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be the first person to always get updates from this channel. Thank.
In today's video, we are going to be learning how to design this.
Good day guys, welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be designing a product package. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to the business of today. So the first thing I have to do right now is to change the image size, like the size of this video, the size of this design. We're going to change it from here. So you go to your image size, they're going to change to 950 to 1280. 950 1280. So this is actually the size I'm using. So can you see it? So after that, you can delete this right now. So the next thing you have to do right now is to go to your color, then choose this color. This is the color I'm using. So the color code is FAC275. FAC275. So that is the color code in case you need it. So the next thing I have to do right now is to click on my OK. Then click on plus button, click on shape. So when you click on shape, you do something like this. You drag it up a little bit. Things okay like this. So what are you going to do right now? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to give it another color, which is this one. So the color code here is 103255. 103255. So that is the color code for this one. Good. So we are actually moving forward. So for that, next thing you are going to do is to go to your relative position that you make sure is at the middle. Good. So the next thing you have to do right now is to lock this one. So after you lock it, the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on this text, then you write. So let's zoom out to write Jamaica. Jamaica. So I want to write the remaining one capped in a small letter. Jamaica. Good. Is it Jamaica? Okay, it is Jamaica. Good. So let's assume the Jamaica. So give it color. This color actually using the two color throughout. So after that, the next time I'm going to bring out is to click on my plus button, click on gallery. So cool. Wow. I'm going to bring out from my download. So where's my download? Sorry, I just want to check something. My download. So the first thing I have to bring out is this actually. Good. So after that, I will need to make it smaller. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to move this so no, I have to increase it a little bit. The top here. This is the logo. Let's assume this is the logo. So I'm going to shift it to the relative position to the middle. So this is Jamaica. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to my font. I'm going to change to Montestera font for the logo. Actually, Montestera bold or semi bold. So let's use semi bold for it. So I'm going to move the Jamaica come a little bit, position a little bit. So let's do it quick. So after that, go to the position, put it at the middle. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my text. I'm going to write tie. So let's assume the name of the product is what's happening. The product is tie. Good. So the next I'm going to do now, still change the color to this. Then go to your font. Then change it to something. Let me use a font. Let me see if it's going to work. Good. This font actually work. Great. So let's continue. So the next thing I'm going to do is to increase the size a little bit. So oh wow. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do, let me shift it back a little bit. Then I'm going to write jamming rice. I think it's jamming. Good. So give it something like this. Then I'm going to change the color to this. Then go to my font. Then I'm going to give it another font. So the font is there. The font is actually here. So I can remember the font that I use. Very fine font like this. Good. So I've seen the font actually. So I'll check on something down here. So the font I use is Fremont or Fremont regular. So actually the same thing. So the next I'm going to do now is to increase it. Then I'm going to put it here. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to increase it, duplicate it. Then I'm going to write rice. So now we are doing something rice. Rice. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to put it here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to increase this one a little bit. So let's check here. I'm going to increase a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is to place it here. So let it be aligned with this. Good. So I can now shift this one up a little bit. Good. So we're actually doing forward. So what is the next I'm going to do? So the next I'm going to do is to click on my plus button, then go to my gallery, then to my download. So after that, I'm going to bring in this rice. Actually, what am I going to do? Just leave it like that. Click on it, then come here, reduce it a little bit, then you place it here. So actually moving forward. So the next I'm going to do now is to click on my shape, do something like this, bring it down here. So that's means we're going to work on something happening to this. Good, then give it this color actually. So that means we're going to work on this. I'm going to reduce this size a little bit. Then this Jamaica rice, I'm going to reduce it a little bit. So let's move this one up a little bit, something like this. So actually okay. So let's work on this one right now. Jamming rice. So the jamming, let me look at the size of the jamming rice. Let me reduce it a little bit. So let's give it 56. So the rice also be given 56. No, we are actually using the same size for it. So good. So we can actually move it up, position it up a little bit. Good. So this one, move this one down a little bit. So position up a little bit. Good. So what am I going to do now? So the next I'm going to do now is to work on this right now. Good. So just leave it like this and make sure it's at the middle also. Good. So can you see it? We're actually moving forward. So the next I'm going to do now is to go to my gallery. Then I'm going to click on social media icon. So let's assume to click on social media icon. Social media. So let me click on the social. Wow. Wait, where is it? Social. Good. So do something like this. Go to your color. Change the color to this actually. Not to this actually. Then you can reduce it. Reduce it very well. Then place it here. Good. So let's change the color again. Good. So what is the next I'm going to do? So next I'm going to do right now. So click on my plus button, click from gallery. So when you click from gallery, go to my download. So after my download, I'm going to bring out this actually. So what am I going to use? So the next I'm going to do is to decrease it. Move it up a little bit. Good. So it's actually okay like this. Good. So what the next I'm going to do? The next I'm going to do now. So click on this jammy. Then I'm going to write 100% quality and fresh. Good. So the next I'm going to do now, so change the color to this. Good. So when you change the color today, you're going to reduce it very well. Reduce it. So when you reduce it, you cannot zoom your work. Click on the zooming icon, then you zoom it, then you do something like this. 100% quality. So let me put the size a little bit, so let's go something like this. So the next I'm going to do is to bring it down back. Good. So okay, so we're actually moving forward. Good. So what is next we're going to do? So the next I'm going to do right now is to click on this jammer again, jammy, duplicate it. So in duplicate it, the next I'm going to write is write your net something like this. So for that, come here, then you give it this size. So when you're done, you can actually increase it, zoom it. So when you zoom it, you can now put this one here. Good. So when you're done that, zoom back, see what you're doing, if you're making sense. So we're actually making sense, but we have to shift it to something like this. Good. So after that, next I'm going to do is to duplicate it. So when I duplicate it, then I write width, net width. Good. So after that, we are going to work on this a little bit. So I'm going to move this one up a little bit, something here. Good. So after that, next I'm going to do is to duplicate it again. Then I'm going to write 5 kg. 5 kg. Good. So when I'm next thing now, I'm going to put it here, increase it a little bit, then you place it here. Oh, what is happening? Good. Zoom back to see what you are doing. So can you see it? You're not actually good with this. So what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to read this one a little bit, this size a little bit. Good. So I'm going to shape it here a little bit. So the 5k, the net and the 5 kg can come in this side a little bit. So you're actually good to go. Then you can move them down a little bit. Good. So what is the next thing I'm going to do right now? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to write the location of the place, the location of the place. So you can actually click on this jammer right again. Actually, we're going to use that font. Correct at Station Road. So let's assume the place is Station Road, Ibadan. Station Road, Kajala Street. Opposite Felodun, Ibadan. Good. So let's assume that is the location. So I'm going to reduce it very well. So I'm going to reduce this stuff. It's too long. So I want it to good. So next I'm going to do is to position at the middle. Good. So let me increase this size a little bit. Good. So position at the middle back. Shift it up a little bit. Good. So we are actually done with this. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to save it as an image. Save it as an image. Save it as PNG, and then you save it. Oh, exactly. As an ultra. So you save your gallery. Good. So when save, actually done. Good. Welcome back to Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome. So we are going to be working with Photopea.com right now. So let's get to business. So I'm going to type my Photopea.com. So this Photopea.com. So can you see it already? So after you click on Photopea.com, it will bring out a surface of it. So this is the surface of it. You will see file, edit, image layer, select, feature, view, window, more, account, and etc. So the very best thing to click on is to click on your file, then click on open. So after you click on open, you click from file again, then go to wherever your PSD file is. So my PSD file is somewhere on my drive. So I think I started it. So I'm going to wait for it to load. So I think I know it is at the downside. This smart markup. Cool. So this is it. So we are going to wait for it to load. So let's wait for it to load. Good. So after loading, the next I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to good. So what I'm going to do right now? So I'm going to be clicking it. So this is what I'm going to be clicking on right now. This layer, this is what they call layer. Good. This one actually. So you click on it. So when you click on it, it will show you this. It will show you something background object. Can you see the background object? Then it will show you this. So the next I'm going to click on double tap displays. This actually display, double tap it. So good. So I'm going to double tap it. What's happening, Joe? Double tap. Good. So after you double tap it, it will show you this. So just click on the eye. This eye now. Just click on it. Good. So you see, you click on the eye. So that is showing again. So that's when you double tap it. It will show you the this place. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my file again. Then click on open and place. Can you see open and place? Click on it. So after you click on open and place, click on file again. So you just go to your recent. That means the image you just saved right now. So this is the image you just saved right now. So just wait for it to load. So good. So guys, that is actually the exercise. Good. So there's nothing more for me to actually work on again. So I can just increase a little bit.
From the anger, from the war, let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. So
I'm working for it to be the same size, or just leave it like this. If it's going to be an edit, then the next I'm going to do is to click on file again, then click on save smart object. Can you see it? Save smart object. So what you have to wait for it to load. So let's wait for it to load. Good as load. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this theme mockup. So can you see it? It's actually the same thing. So can you see? So the next I'm going to do now, if you want to remove the background, just click on it, then you click on the eye of this background. So can you see the background I've removed? So you can click, and if you don't want to remove the background, you can actually leave it. But let's assume I want to use it like this. You click on file again, then you click on export as, then you click on PNG. I don't like JPNG. So you click on PNG, so you have to wait for it to pop out. So good. So can you see it? Just drag it up, then you click on save. So automatically it will download now. So yeah, so let's wait. So we are actually done with this. So can you see what we just did right now? So we are actually done with this. So the next time. So thank you for watching up to now. Thank you.
Hey creator, thanks for watching up till now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.